Eka, good afternoon, everybody, home and abroad. I'm Mrs. Fumi Apampa Adekpegba. The topic before me today is names. What is a name? Your name is your identity. That name you are bearing. Listen to me now and listen good. That name you are bearing. Try and keep the name. Don't destroy that name. Don't spoil that name in the public. Don't let you be found wanting in the prison yard or in the police station. Okay? Now, the topic before me is names. And I've told you, your name is your identity. Keep that name. Number 1, the Yoruba names. Ige. Ige is a child that comes out with its legs. 2, Ajayi. Ajayi is a child that was born facing ground, or maybe the mother is facing ground when she was in labor pain. 3, Dada. Dada is a child with dreadlock, natural dreadlock from birth, not those Yahoo boys dreadlock. The Yahoo boys dreadlock is nonsense. The natural dreadlock is Dada. We call them Dada. Ojo or Aino. Ojo is a boy child and Aino is a girl child. A child born with its biblical cord woven around its neck is called Ojo. That is a male child born with its biblical cord woven around his neck. Aino is a girl with her biblical cord woven around her neck at birth. Yes. The next one, Babarinsa. Babarinsa is a child born when the father has died, maybe before his birth, during his birth, or on his naming day. A child who has lost his father at birth, at infant, is called Babarinsa. Okay is a child that packaged itself in a sack at birth. It can be a boy, it can be a girl. A child in a sack is called Okay is a child they begged from the mountain or the rock. You know, all these demigods, they have the ability to give children to the barren ones. Okay is a child that the mother or the father begged from the rock or the mountain and was given birth to. That's okay. Some people will say okay. Some will say okay. Abiono is a child born on a journey. The mother is heavily pregnant and on a journey, maybe outside Nigeria or within Nigeria. Unfortunately, she put to bed. Be a boy, be a girl, we call them Abiono. Ewumi is a child the mother gave birth to in danger. The mother was in serious danger at the birth of that child. Maybe the witches are troubling her heavily, or maybe she's on a battlefield, or maybe she's under attack of the Boko Haram or something dangerous. Because such children will maybe a boy, be a girl. At times we can give them Abisogun. Now also we have Taiwo and Kehinde. These are a set of twins. Taiwo is the child that comes out first and followed by Kehinde on the same day. Children of the same mother giving birth to on the same day. They are called Taiwo and Kehinde. Taiwo comes out first, followed by Kehinde. Idowu is the child we gave birth to after a set of twins. Alaba is a child that follows Idowu. Thank you. Let's go to children born from a royal family, the royal name. We have Adewale, Adekpegba, Adeyemi, Aderonke, Adewole, Ademidun, Ademidoyin, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Shijuade, orúkọ ìdílé ọba làwọn. They are names from the royal family. When you are hearing anything Ade, you know they are from the royal family. followed by the chiefs. We do have chiefs within the town. When you hear names with Oye this, Oye that, you know they are from chieftaincy family. Oye láàrin, Oye níkẹ̀, Oye kẹ́mi, Oye wùnmí, Oye fúnmilọ́lá, Oye fúnmiláyọ̀. These are names. These are names from chiefs, chieftaincy holders in a town. Now, followed by Abiku, that is the children with roving spirits. These children with roving spirits, the mother will give birth to them. Off they will go, come back. Off they will go, come back. They disturb their mother-in-law. They are nonsense children. Yorubas call them Abiku. Abiku are children that are very stubborn and disturb parents a lot. Now, let's look at their name. Baba Rinsa, Baba Wumi, Matomi, Malomo, Durorike, Akisa Aton, Ekun Sumi, Aja, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. These are names of the Abikus.